What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So it's finally happening for Sfiso Meyiwa and the Meyiwa family at large. Everything is like seeming to be connecting, and the truth is finally coming out together. And Shadrach Sibia has been arrested. It's what is happening. It's currently unfolding. All his properties like electronic gadgets, etc., have been seized, and AfriForum is in court today at the Meyiwa trial as they are presenting evidence. So this issue, to say there was a cover-up, is now going to be exposed as the defense is presenting a fresh witness that is going to be telling everything that happened at the Kumalo house. So what this means is that, Sibia is no longer in charge as he wanted to be. We all know how desperate he was to return back to that position, but he is not getting back that position. So the defense is now presenting their case and their witnesses, without any issues whatsoever. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.